Everyone reads candles all day, but not everyone knows what's inside it. A candle is really just 4 numbers. The open, where price started, the close, where it ended, and the high and low in between. Green means it closed above the open. Red means it closed below. That's all the color is telling you. That thin line is the wick. It shows where price got to before it was pushed back down. The same hour looks different depending on your chart. The shape does tell you something. A big body means one side had control. A small one means neither did. But it won't tell you why price moved or how much actually traded. For that you need volume. Fun fact, this idea came from Japanese rice traders. They were drawing these in the 1700s. So, that's your candle. Always check the time frame before you read the shape.